Assalamu alaikum, it's chapter 13, System of Two Equations, part 3. The objective is to solve a problem by organizing the given, transform into a system, solve and then check the validity of the solutions. Prepare these materials. We will start with translating word problems into equations. Example 1. Transform the following statements into equations. For example, x is the double of y, p exceeds q by 2. Solution. X is the double of y, so we write x equal 2 times y, which is 2y, then x equal 2y. P exceeds q by 2, so p equal q plus 2, or p minus q equal to 2. Example 2. Sammy bought 4 kg of apples and 6 kg of oranges and paid 13,000 Lebanese liras. If x represents the price of 1 kg of apples and y the price of 1 kg of oranges, transform the above problem into an equation. Here, 4 times x represents the price of 4 kilograms of apples, and 6 times y represents the price of 6 kilograms of oranges. So 4 times x plus 6 times y, it is equal to 13,000, and so 4x plus 6y equal to 13,000. Example on geometry. ABCD is a rectangle of length x and width y, x greater than 0 and y greater than 0. The parameter of the rectangle ABCD, it is equal to 18 centimeter. As we know, the parameter of the rectangle ABCD, it is equal to the sum of the sides. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, it is equal to 18. X plus Y plus X AB, it is equal to DC, opposite sides of a rectangle, and AD equal to BC, opposite sides of a rectangle. So 2 into x plus y equal to 18, and so x plus y equal to 9. Now, how to use a system of the first degree in two variables to solve problems. We will start with the following example. A number exceeds another by 14 and their sum is 70. Find the two numbers. The question is to find the two numbers. To solve this problem, we must follow the following steps. Step 1. Choose the variables. Since here we have to find two numbers, then we have two unknowns. For example, let x be the first number and y the second. Step 2 is to translate the problem into a system of two equations into unknowns. We use the following statement. A number exceeds another by 14, so x it is equal to y plus 14, and so x minus y equal to 14. The other statement is the sum is equal to 70. X plus y equal to 70. We obtain the following system. X minus y equal to 14. X plus y equal to 70. Step 3 is to solve the obtained system. We can use the elimination method. Notice here the coefficient of y it is equal to minus 1, which is the opposite of the coefficient of y in the second equation, which is plus 1. Add the two equations to get 2x equal to 84, x equal 42. Substitute x equal to 42 in the first equation. 42 minus y equal to 14, so y equal 28. In step 4, check the solution and answer the question. Checking the solution is to verify that the obtained solutions are valid. And answering the question, the first number is 42 and the second is 28. Application 1. A flower shop sells tulips and roses. A bunch of 3 tulips and 6 roses costs 6,000 Lebanese liras. A bunch of 4 tulips and 5 roses costs 5,750 Lebanese liras. Find, by writing all the following steps, the price of 1 tulip and the price of 1 rose. Pause the video and solve this application. Solution. To solve this problem, we must follow the previous steps. In step 1, we must choose the variables. Note, to choose the variables, we must read the question carefully. Here, we must find the price of 1 tulip and the price of 1 rose. So we must take the first unknown is the price of the 1 tulip and the second unknown the price of 1 rose. Let X be the price of 1 tulip. Let Y be the price of 1 rose. Second step is to organize the system. We use the statements in the problem. The first equation is 3 times X plus 6 times Y. It is equal to 6,000. 3 times X represents the price of 3 tulips and 6 times Y represents the price of 6 roses. The sum of the prices is 6,000. So 3 times X plus 6 times Y equal to 6,000. And so 3X plus 6Y equal to 6,000. The second equation, in the second statement, a bunch of 4 tulips and 5 roses costs 5,750 Lebanese liras. So 4 times X plus 5 times Y, it is equal to 5,750 Lebanese liras. 4X plus 5Y equal 5,750. We obtain the following system. 3X plus 6Y equal to 6,000. 4X plus 5Y equal 5,750. Third step is to solve the system. Here notice that we will use the elimination method. We multiply the first equation by 4 and the second equation by minus 3 to eliminate X. 12X plus 24Y equal 24,000 minus 12X minus 15Y equal minus 17,250. Add the equations. Y equal to 750. Substitute Y equal 750 in the first equation to get X equal to 500. Answer the question. Then the price of 1 tulip is 750 Lebanese liras and the price of 1 rose is 500 Lebanese liras. Application 2. Pause the video and solve this application. In part 1, we must solve the system. Use the elimination method. Find X, then substitute X equal to 17 in the first equation and find Y. The solution of the system is XY equals 17, 15. In part 2, the length of the height of a given trapezoid is 14 centimeter. Its area is equal to 224 centimeters square. The large base exceeds the small base by 2 centimeters. The question is, what is the length of the large base and that of the small base of this trapezoid? Also, to solve this problem, we must organize the following problem into a system of 2 equations and solve it. To do that, let X be the length of the large base, let Y be the length of the small base. We start with the following statement. The large base exceeds the small base by 2. Then X equal to Y plus 2, so X minus Y equal to 2. In the second equation, we use the area is equal to 224 centimeters square. As we know, the area of the trapezoid is large base plus small base times height over 2. So 224, the area of the trapezoid, it is equal to x plus y times 14 over 2. So x plus y times 14 equal to 448, and so x plus y equal to 32. We get the following system: x minus y equal to 2, and x plus y equal to 32. If you notice in part 1, it is the same system here. Then we say that the solution of the system is xy 17, 15 using part 1. Answer the question. Then the length of the large base is 17 and the length of the small base is 15. Review from the textbook pages 187 and 188 and do the following homework. Summary of the lesson: the definition of the system of two equations, the solution of the system of two equations, how to solve a system graphically, methods for solving system: elimination method, substitution method, comparison method, and the steps for solving problem. Choose the two unknowns, translate the problem, a system of two equations in two unknowns, solve the obtained system, and answer the question. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.